Searching for trusted HVAC parts suppliers for your furnace or air conditioner? Explore PartsHnC, your ultimate destination for high-quality heating and cooling essentials. With a wide range of inventory, covering everything from essential furnace components to specialized air conditioner accessories, PartsHnC offers all the parts you need to ensure your HVAC system performs optimally and lasts longer. Our commitment to providing top-quality products ensures reliability and satisfaction. Visit PartsHnC.com today to explore our comprehensive selection of HVAC parts for your furnace and air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.